Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another exciting video. Today we are going to talk about another exciting adventure which is SeaWorld. Yes, you heard it right. So if you go there, you'll be able to visit 4 of the theme parks. So today we are going to talk about the most famous and just ki bahut hype chal rahi hai aajkal, the honest review of this. So let's get into the video. SeaWorld Abu Dhabi is being called the biggest and the most advanced marine life theme park in the world. But is it really worth the hype? In today's video, I'll be telling you the inside and giving you the honest review. The first things first. This place is huge, and actually it is huge. No matter what the season you visit there, but you will get a proper air conditioned park. It is all indoors, you don't have to go outdoors for anything, but it is very, very huge. The moment you step in, you will feel immersed in underwater world. So basically there are themes in the park as well. In this, when you go in this sea world, there will be different zones, different themes. So there will be Antarctica zone, there will be Arctic zone, there will be Abu Dhabi ocean. So there are 4 5 different zones there. Each zone, you can say, has a specific, or you can say a specific charm of its own. So if you go to Antarctica world, you will be able to see the dolphin show. If you're going to the rock island, rock ocean, then you'll be able to see the sea lions over there. So likewise, you have different theme parks, different sections, and you have different highlights for each section. My favorite, the Endless Ocean Aquarium, which is massive, and Tropical Ocean, where you get to see the incredible dolphin show. And it was spectacular. Talking about next, you have rides and attractions also. Honestly, since we went with 2 kids, we did not enjoy the rides. We did not go even for the rides because the kids were really small. So we thought that okay, fine, we'll keep that for some other day. But today we are just going to explore the marine life, which was spectacular, which was amazing. And once in a lifetime, you should go there and enjoy the marine life. Obviously, you're going to have many animal encounters there. So this is where SeaWorld Abu Dhabi stands out. You can get super close to marine animals in a way that's both fun and educational. From giant walrus to cute little penguins, sea lions, or dolphins, you will be amazed by all. SeaWorld Abu Dhabi is one of its kind and it is really, really huge, guys, and amazingly structured, I would say. It is so beautiful that you go inside and you'll be lost in the marine life. Let's be real, guys. SeaWorld Abu Dhabi is not cheap. Single day ticket is 375 dirham, which includes your, excursions, which includes your live performances, an animal care center. But it is on the higher side, I would say, but worth, it's worth. If you have babies, if you have child below the age of 3, then it is free, and above 3 years old, it is 375 dirham, which is a huge amount, guys. Why to lie? It is a huge amount. SeaWorld Abu Dhabi is basically, it's more about marine life than rides. So if you're expecting a park full of roller coasters and thrilling and all that adventure, then you are at the wrong place. Because this park is more for the people who love animals, who love to explore the marine life. While there are some great rides, the focus here is really on the marine life and education. Coming to the next point, guys, it can be crowded on the weekend. So if you're planning to visit this place, then you can visit it during the weekdays, because then it would be less crowded, and after 5 it's closed after 5. So you have to make the visit before, in the daytime, before 5, so that you can enjoy and explore the park. And obviously you've spent so much, so you should come here and explore and take around and have fun. Okay, for food, guys, there are cafes there, so don't carry your food, which is not even allowed. So if you're thinking to carry food, this is not allowed. They will check your bag. Only water bottles are allowed, nothing else. So you just come here with your strollers. If you have babies, you can take your strollers there, because they are going to get tired, because it's so huge. And you also don't want to, come here without the strollers and just hang your baby around. That would be really messy and very tiring for you also. So instead, you can bring your strollers, because that is allowed, and water bottles, of course. So, is SeaWorld Abu Dhabi worth the hype? If you love marine life, immersive experiences, then yes, it's absolutely worth visiting. The animal encounters, the aquarium are next level and so thrilling. It's just top notch. What do you think? Would you pay a visit to the Abu Dhabi SeaWorld? Let me know in the comment down below if you found this video interesting and if you enjoyed the experience and the glimpses of SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you liked the glimpses of the SeaWorld. It was a wonderful experience, and my little one also enjoyed a lot. And I was so amazed by the marine life which I saw there, especially the penguins, dolphins, sea lions, and amazing. They all were amazing. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button for my next video. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.